Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Bandlab on iPhone. Bandlab is a popular app for creating, recording and sharing music. Many users love it for its cloud-based storage, easy to use mix editor and ability to collaborate with other artists. And however, there are times you might want to uninstall the Bandlab from your iPhone for to storage space, app issues or taking a break. So in order to uninstall the Bandlab on your iPhone, first you need to find the Bandlab iPhone on the home screen. And what you can do is find the Bandlab app icon on your home screen and simply tap and hold the icon until a menu appears here and select remove app in the top from the menu options. And again it will ask you to delete. What you can do is tap on the delete and the Bandlab app will be removed from your iPhone. And this is the quickest and most common way for the most of the users to uninstall the Bandlab on iPhone. And uninstalling Bandlab on iPhone is very straightforward. Even after uninstalling, your music remains safe in the cloud, making it easy to return whenever you want to continue creating. And that is it. This is how you can uninstall Bandlab on iPhone. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.